Okay, and the top tips just keep coming, and here's another one for you. As you can appreciate, when you're clearing out gutters, they're full of dirt. Now that dirt translates into the poles, and it will line the inside of the poles, and you'll be thinking to yourself, crikey, my poles are a little bit heavier than they was. They don't feel like they're working as good as they was, and they've gone cold as well. So a good little housekeeping tip is to carry some water with you. Drop some water into a bucket, like I have done over there, and then you can bring your poles down, drop your poles into the bucket of water, and then flush your poles through. So vac up the water, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so your poles will go instantly light. You'll better lift them up and carry on working again.